Are you attending an expo, whether it's in person or virtual, and looking to increase visitors to your booth, all while making meaningful connections? Whova can help with that. With your own customizable exhibitor booth profile, you can add videos and brochures and more to draw attention to your booth and collect leads immediately. In addition, you can utilize other interaction tools such as a live stream and chat to directly engage with your attendees. To share some numbers, a recent event, the Birmingham Homeschool Fair, generated 355 leads at their virtual exhibitor hall and had almost 11,000 sponsor views. We also had the HR Indiana Annual Conference that generated 9,000 leads and had 44,000 virtual booth views. In this video, we'll walk you through setting up your booth profile, show multiple ways to attract visitors and collect leads, and share features you can use to further interact with attendees. It's easy to use, and you'll have all the tools necessary to meet your goals. Let's start with setting up the booth profile, which you can easily do through an online form and through both the web and mobile app. We'll show you how to access the setup page, upload handouts, videos, and set up a live showcase, upload promotional offers, and add booth staff. Our stats show over 91% of exhibitors set up their virtual booth and 80% either added a video or set up a live showcase to attract more attendees. Around 50% also uploaded brochures. We'll cover all of this shortly. Let's start with the online form. You can easily access this form through a link sent by your event organizers. Simply click on the link and start filling it out. Starting with the company showcase section, you can upload videos and handouts. For a video, click the Add Product Video option. You'll have the option to upload a video file from either your local computer or from a cloud drive, or you can add in a link. If you are limited by the video size but still want to upload, you can reach out to your event organizer to edit these settings. Next, we have the handouts. Click the Upload PDF file option to select your file. And once selected, add in your title, add in an optional description, and finish with the Upload button. You can upload up to 2 files with a max file size of 10 megabytes. Lastly, in this section, you can add a live product demo session. Click Add Live Product Demo and create an event with a designated name, location, date, and time. Click the Save option when you're finished. If your event is virtual, you can select the virtual option and easily add in a live stream link for attendees to access. Once you get that set up, you can further add or edit your company information here at the bottom. You can also add in a promotional offer to draw attendees in. From raffles, giveaways, or coupons, select your choice and add in the details. You can also upload an image if you'd like. After setting it all up, it'll look nice on both the web and mobile app. Next, we have the web app. Create an account or sign in using the same email you used to register for the event, and you should see the home page. Click on Exhibitors in the main navigation, find your booth, and you'll see the Edit Booth option. That'll give you access to the online form mentioned earlier. For the mobile app, you'll need to sign in as well. And once you're in the home page of your event, you can scroll down to find the Exhibitor Hub section. There, you'll find the options to edit your booth information. On the mobile app, you can also add in booth staff to help collect leads. Click the Invite Booth Staff option and add in their registered email address. They should then see the Exhibitor Hub in their own app to start collecting leads. Now that you know how to set up your profile and add booth staff, we'll show you 4 ways to collect leads through the Whova app. As attendees visit your booth, if they leave a like and comment, their information will be added to your leads, so make sure to interact with them through the live chat. Next, we have the promotional offer or sign up for deals and offers. If they claim the offer or click on the sign up for deals and offers options, they'll be added to your leads. Third, head over to the Exhibitor Hub and click Collect Leads and Contacts. Click Add Lead manually to input the information. You can see here you also have a Scan QR code option. This is most useful in an in-person meeting. As you collect your leads, you can view and manage them all in one place, back in the Collect Leads and Contacts section. You can even export them by clicking on the Export option and designating the email you want them sent to. And now, we'll finish it off with some common questions asked by exhibitors. First we have, why can't I edit the booth profile? You'll want to double check to see if you're logged in with the same email you used to register for the event. You can also ask your booth's main contact to add you in as a booth staff. Next we have, why don't I see an option to upload a video? Since this is a setting controlled by your event organizers, you can reach out to them. And lastly we have, why can't I export my leads? Similarly here, you'll want to check with your booth's main contact to see if you have permission to access and export the leads. Then you can double check the email input field for the correct email. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and we hope this will be helpful to get you the most out of your event.